all well. We are not having our class for a long time, and it is very good news for you that our beloved school has arranged online classes for you, which will help you in your studies, I think. And this is Sadia Tasmin, your English teacher. Welcome you all in our today's class. Now I am going to take a class of class 4, and the subject is English. Everybody, please open the page number 32 of your English book. Please open the page number 32 of your English book, Unit 16, and the title of the text story is Sagar's Week. Sagar's Week. I am writing this in the board. Unit 16, Sagar's Week. Let us look at the picture. What can you see here? You can see an old person and a little boy. They are looking at a book, and the book is English book, and in the next picture you can see 4 girls and boys are playing in a field. Now let us read the story. I am reading, and please all of you can follow me. On weekdays, do you know the meaning of weekdays? Weekdays means the days when people work, and in Bangla we call it Kormo Divos. Okay, so continue the passage. On weekdays, Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning. He first says his prayers. Then he goes to his grandfather and studies Bangla and English with him. He and his sister have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Sagar gets dressed after breakfast and leaves for school at 9 o'clock because school starts at 10 o'clock. In the evening, Sagar does his homework. He loves Bangla. It's his favorite subject. After he does his homework, Sagar spends time with his grandparents. He and his family have dinner at 9 p.m. Then he goes to bed at 10 p.m. If you look at the passage, you can see the activities which Sagar does in his weekdays are given here. In the weekdays, at first he gets up at 6 o'clock, and then he says his morning prayer, and after that he goes to his grandfather, and his grandfather teaches his Bangla and English. After that he has his breakfast with his little sister. He gets dressed and goes to school. Now come to the second para. On weekends. On weekends. Do you know the meaning of weekend? Weekdays means the days when people work. The days when people works and the weekend means the holiday. The holiday, or we also call it vacation. So I think you can understand the differences between weekdays and weekends. In our school we have only one weekend, that is Friday, and the other 6 days are our weekdays. So now come to the passage. On weekends, Shakur visits his aunt and uncle in the afternoon. He and Kia play in the park with their cousins. In the evening, he watches TV or reads stories to Kia. At night, he goes to bed at 11 o'clock. So the activities he does is also different from the weekdays and the weekends. Now I am translating the stories for your better understanding. On weekdays, অর্থাৎ হচ্ছে কর্মদিবসে, সাগর gets up at 6 in the morning. সাগর সকাল 6টায় ঘুম থেকে ওঠে। He first says his prayers. সে প্রথমে প্রার্থনা করে। Then he goes to his grandfather. তারপরে সে তার দাদার কাছে যায় and studies বাংলা and English with him. তার সঙ্গে বাংলা এবং ইংরেজি পড়ে। He and his sister have breakfast at 8 o'clock. সে এবং তার বোন এখানে কেয়ার কথা বলেনি। সে এবং তার বোন একসঙ্গে নাস্তা করে 8টার সময়। সাগর gets dressed after breakfast and leaves for school at 9 o'clock because school starts at 10 o'clock. সাগর নাস্তা করার পরে 9টার সময় স্কুলের জন্য তৈরি হয়, পোশাক পরে, এবং সে 9টার সময় স্কুলের উদ্দেশ্যে বাড়ি ছেড়ে যায়, কারণ তার স্কুল হলো 10টার সময়। ইন দ্য ইভিনিং, সাগর ডাজ হিজ হোমওয়ার্ক। সন্ধ্যাবেলায় সাগর তার বাড়ির কাজ করে। হি লাভস বাংলা। সে বাংলা ভালোবাসে, পছন্দ করে। ইটস হিজ ফেভারিট সাবজেক্ট। এটা তার প্রিয় বিষয়। আফটার হি ডাজ হিজ হোমওয়ার্ক, সাগর স্পেন্ডস টাইম উইথ হিজ গ্র্যান্ডপ্যারেন্টস। সে বাড়ির কাজ করার পরে তার দাদা দাদির সঙ্গে সময় অতিবাহিত করে। হি অ্যান্ড হিজ ফ্যামিলি হ্যাড ডিনার অ্যাট 9 PM। সে এবং তার পরিবার রাতের খাবার খায় 9টার সময়। দেন হি গোজ টু বেড অ্যাট 10 PM। এরপরে সে ঘুমাতে যায় 10টার সময়। অন উইকেন্ডস, ছুটির দিনে, সাগর ভিজিটস হিজ আন্ট অ্যান্ড আঙ্কেল ইন দ্য আফটারনুন। ছুটির দিনে সাগর বিকেলবেলায় তার চাচা চাচিকে দেখতে যায়। হি অ্যান্ড কেয়া প্লে ইন দ্য পার্ক উইথ দেয়ার কাজিনস। সে এবং কেয়া তার চাচাতো ভাই বোনের সঙ্গে পার্কে খেলা করে, উদ্যানে খেলা করে। ইন দ্য ইভিনিং, হি ওয়াচেস টিভি অর রিডস স্টোরিজ টু কেয়া। সন্ধ্যার সময় সে টিভি দেখে অথবা হচ্ছে কেয়াকে গল্প করে শোনায়। অ্যাট নাইট, হি গোজ টু বেড অ্যাট 11 o'clock। রাতে সে 11টার সময় ঘুমাতে যায়। দেখো ডিফারেন্সগুলো। কর্মদিবসে সে 10টার সময় ঘুমাতে যায়, আর ছুটির দিনে 11টার সময় ঘুমাতে যায়। কর্মদিবসে সে সন্ধ্যার সময় হোমওয়ার্ক করে, আর ছুটির দিনে সে সন্ধ্যার সময় হয় টিভি দেখে, না হয় তার বোনের সঙ্গে বোনকে গল্প করে শোনায়। তাহলে আমরা সাগরের উইকডেজ এবং উইকেন্ডস সম্পর্কে জানলাম। লেট আস do the activities which are given in your book. B. Read the sentences. Write T for true or F for false. Write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Sagar gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning on weekdays. Sagar gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning on weekdays. এটা কি ট্রু না ফলস? we get the statement very first of our passage. Sagar gets up at 6 in the morning on weekdays. That means the sentence is true and we write T for this sentence. Next, Sagar has breakfast with care on weekdays. This is also a true sentence because we get it in the third line. He and his sister had breakfast at 8 o'clock. That means it is also a true sentence and we also have to write T for this sentence. Now come to the third sentence. School starts at 9 in the morning. School starts at 9 in the morning. I think it is a false sentence because school doesn't start at 9 in the morning. School starts at 10 and Sagar leaves for school at 9 o'clock. That means it's a false statement and we have to write A for this sentence. Now number 4, English is Sagar's favorite subject. English is Sagar's favorite subject. This is also a false statement I think because in the passage we can see he loves Bangla. It's his favorite subject. That means Sagar's favorite subject is Bangla and we have to write A for this sentence. Now come to the fifth sentence. Sagar watches TV with care and his cousins. Sagar watches TV with care and his cousins. Sagar watches TV alone. Sagar watches TV alone. He plays with care and his cousin, but Sagar doesn't watch TV with care or his cousin. That means it's also a false statement and we have to write A for this statement. Now come to the sixth sentence. On weekends, Sagar goes to bed at 10 o'clock at night. On weekends, Sagar goes to bed at 10 o'clock at night. It's also a false statement because if we look at the passage, we can see the last line of the passage. At night he goes to bed at 11 o'clock on weekends. That means it's also a false statement and we have to write A for this statement. Okay. Now come to the activities. Norm C, where there is written that correct the false sentences in activity B. Write them in your exercise book. Correct the false sentences in activity B. Write them in your exercise books. That means in the activity number B, we have got 4 sentences which were false, and now in the activity C we have to write the correct answer for this statement. Let us write this on the board. Our first false sentence was statement 3, which was school starts at 9 in the morning. School starts at 9 in the morning, and we find that school starts at 10 o'clock. School starts at 10 in the morning. We find another false sentence. subject. And we find in the passage that Bangla is Sagar's favorite subject. So we write here Bangla is Sagar's favorite subject. Our next false statement was sentence number 5, and that was Sagar watches TV with Keya and his cousins. Sagar plays with Keya and his cousins. Sagar plays with Keya and his cousins. Sagar plays with Keya and his cousin. তোমরা ইচ্ছে করলে এটাকে অন্যভাবেও দেওয়া যায় যে সাগর watches TV alone. That is also right, because here we have two statements. The first one is he and Keya play in the park with their cousins, and the second one, he watches TV. He alone watches TV. I write it, and if you want, you can also write that he watches TV alone. That will also correct. Our next false statement was statement number 6, and that was on weekends Sagar goes to bed at 10 o'clock at night. In the passage, we find that on weekends Sagar goes to bed at 11 o'clock. That means our correct statement is on weekends Sagar goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Here is the all that you have in unit 16, lesson 1 to 2, and in the next chapter, unit 16, you have also some activities, language focus, and you have a table, and you have to write a short composition about your weekdays routine. I am not writing this today. It is for you, for your practice. You have to try to write it alone, and we will also solve it when we have our next class. And these activities are for your homework. Try to write this paragraph, short composition about your weekdays routine. About your weekdays routine by following the passage of Sagar's week. You have to write it by, you can take help from the passage of Sagar's week and complete the short composition about your weekdays routine. It is all for today, and we will have class next day. So be well, continue your study, because we have a very short time and we have to finish some chapters. So read attentively at home, and stay at home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.